Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, this video we can watch completely understanding the what is the concept we'll discuss. We discuss about the everyone we discuss about the Facebook page and group. So nowadays, how much your Facebook page engagement important? Same like your group also will be very important. That mean by people join your group, they engage your audience on the particular page and group also. So if you share any kind of content at a time, Facebook page and groups. So if you are joining any kind of groups, first of all, I'm searching SEO. In this, first of all, you can go to groups. In the group joining, we have two types, through profile, through page. So first of all, we can see the both options. So I'm clicking here, SEO group, invite. So this will be called invitation. So anyone we can go for invitation. So this means by already I'm a member of this group. This will be showing for new groups. When you click, this is a private group. When you click here, the group will be joining through Facebook profile. So some groups are showing will be Facebook profile, Facebook page. Some group will be showing for Facebook profile also. In this one, I can discuss completely in-depth option. So I join this group will be by profile. Next one, I can join this group will be here option. Currently is going for here. Next click for in this option will be request. Now is asking for your particular question. So this question we can give answer. Submit. So how many groups are there? You can add all groups. Now you can understand. Now click. This group we can join in with the two options by profile and by page. So in this one, I can join with the by page option. Which one? By page option. So what is my page? Digital Rakesh. So we can go for here. So where is our Digital Rakesh? Here. Select and click. So if you're joining this group, where you can join? In the group option, each page, once you upload, the showing will be page on the particular groups option. What is the purpose of joining groups through profile through page? Suppose in case some groups not showing for page option. So that time, what are the profile groups you're adding? The link with your Facebook page also. No need to worry. So in this one, see this. These are all your unlink option. What is the purpose of when you're posting content on Facebook page? At a time, we can sharing for one group. So that means your group also or your etc. group also. In this time, simple. Go to Facebook page. In this Facebook page, will share content will be common option. In this, nothing group will be show to customers. Same URL before double dots, copy business dot your particular URL. This URL indicate at a time content will be sharing Facebook page and group and Instagram. Three option will be particular accepted. So now you can come into here in this Facebook page, Instagram and group. So in this group, what are the groups you link? Everything will be here. So any new group will be linked. Simple option, go to groups. What are the profile you can linking here in this? Create, link a group and link the group. So this is all your particular Facebook profile to add in the groups options. So this all will be showing you the particular. So now how I can share the content. First of all, here I'm selecting for only one group. Multiple group not possible. Now I'm sharing content. In this group, we'll be sharing multiple images and every option will be valid. Only image will be can share through Facebook, page to Instagram and group. Only one image. Link will be sharing for Facebook page and particular groups also. Now, simple. I am sharing the content. Select your image, upload it. So where exactly image are there? Go to a particular image in this and select the in this. After share the content. Now edit time will be share the content. Facebook one post. Suppose we can sharing for multiple image. See, group is possible, not possible by Instagram. Why? Only image will be shared, Facebook page and Instagram group, one image. Multiple image, they sharing for Facebook page and group also. But yet one drawback, only one group will be shared. So at a time will be Facebook page and Facebook group also. Now you can check. This group will be posting this content. So yeah, image will be done. Will be just now. You can check for your Facebook page also. Anyone asks interview question, what is the group joining position? Through Facebook page, through groups. What is the purpose of joining your groups by using Facebook page option? The main purpose to share content at a Facebook page and group. Multiple images, link anything will be possible. But when you're sharing for Facebook page to group, only one group is eligible. So clear? Some pages is not accepting through your Facebook option. No need to worry about that. That link with your particular option. So click here. So what are the conditions you will be fix it? You can go with the pages and join your particular group. When accepted your group admin, you will be page will added by your particular Facebook page option. That means the group will be accepted, the link with your Facebook page option. So most of the people joining with the profile link with your Facebook page. Most of the people joining with your Facebook page by groups. Some pages will be accepting some groups, but Facebook profile accepting any groups that some groups will be not accepting for some Facebook business pages. That all will be create pattern will be suitable on the particular option. So this will be method you can follow to share your follow the groups and pages, link with them, and most image will be shared on your pages and group. Engage your audience on that particular Facebook page and groups. This is all coming to the way Facebook marketing tactics on the particular page and the groups, particularly using profile option. This method all will be compulsory important on your Facebook marketing purpose. So linking is very important. Each linking on Facebook group compass a link with your Facebook page option. Item will be shared by which group is more audience. Share it with your page. Get increase your audience on the particular YouTube channel and website also. This method will be follow increase your audience on your Facebook through Facebook page through Facebook group. Anyone still have doubts? Ask me in my channel. I definitely will be support. I will be rectified on your particular option on marketing methods. Thank you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.